Hi, welcome to the 3D Pen Den. I have had a lot of requests from people who want to make this project. The issue here is that it is somewhat bigger, so we will need some bigger equipment if you decide to work this large. So here is what you need. Remember the small carousel we made a while ago? I recommend you revisit that video. The link is above and below in the description. That carousel helps a lot with spheres and many other shapes, but it is more suitable for smaller size projects. Like the ones made with 3D Mate Mat, which will make shapes up to 5 inches in diameter. If you want to make bigger projects, like that 18-inch sphere from the beginning of this video, you will need a larger carousel and a compass-like device, because larger circles are harder to trace precisely. For the carousel part, you will need a large plexiglass circle, a slightly smaller wooden one, some stiff wire at the height of your intended projects, about 2 to 4 washers, and a matte acrylic coating spray to condition your plexiglass. Plexiglass top allows you to see through it and trace the design pattern. This is especially important because we won't have the convenience of the matte templates anymore, and we will need a highly adhesive surface for this to work right. I had my plexiglass cut to 18-inch circle at the local glass store, but you can also use a square if that's all you can get. Drill a hole into the bottom circle and insert the wire into it. Make sure the hole for the wire is perpendicular to the surface, otherwise it won't spin well. So you want the right angle right there. You have the option of gluing the wire in for greater security, unless you would like to keep it removable for easy storage. Plexiglass is normally an over-adhesive surface, so to make it more user-friendly, spray it with 2 coats of clear matte acrylic coating. Make a crisscross coat and let it dry, and make a second coat to ensure complete even coverage. Do not skip this step, or you may not be able to get the plastic off the surface without damaging either your project or the surface. I recommend spraying both sides so you don't accidentally use the unsprayed side. Now slide in 1 or 2 washers. Test which combination spins better for you. And top it with the dried plexi circle. We are ready to roll. We just might need a circle ruler guide to keep the pen steady. So here's what you need for that part. You can use a see-through ruler or a wooden one, which is a bit easier to drill. Then you will need some convenient picture hanging hardware, or these so-called offset clips, something that has a hole to attach it by, an eyelet that fits your pen and keeps it steady. Here are 3 options, but you will have to see what you can get. Then we'll need a screw to attach it with, and either a piece of stick-on felt or plastic tape. The eyelets with the triangular top work better. The ones that are too large and round at the top let the pen slide too much in the eyelet, and it is not precise enough for circles to meet. You want something that will keep it in one spot. So stay away from those. Drill your ruler either at 1 centimeter or 1/4 of an inch intervals. I personally made 1 of each. Screw the eyelet in strategically so it works conveniently with your centimeter or inch measurements. Put a piece of tape or that stick-on felt on the bottom of the screw so it doesn't scratch your surface. Now slide a washer or two under the ruler to keep it level. And we are ready to go. Troubleshooting tip. Sometimes the smooth action of the carousel gets interrupted by the ruler hitting a blob of plastic at the beginning of the circle or on some other circles that are already there. The ruler is raised in the middle with the washer and at the drawing end by the screw with the tape, but in certain positions the end ruler drags over your design. There's a simple way to prevent that by making a movable cardboard strip guard that will keep the ruler raised off the surface. Slides up and down so you can place it at a strategic point wherever you need it at the moment. The guard makes the ruler level, bridging your developing design so it doesn't hit anything or just runs over it. Now we are ready to make our big ball. But that will have to be another video. So stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss it.